Hello everyone! Today I'm with Mr. Ian Acedo and Miss Vanessa Muala. Today po ay nandito sila para kolektahin ang kanilang mga dokumento para kakailanganin nila papuntang Croatia. Mr. Ian Acedo, ito po. And Miss Vanessa Muala, ito po.
Thank you.
So, ano po ang nararamdaman niyo ngayon?
Excited po.
Tomorrow na po ang kanilang flight papuntang Croatia. So, ma'am, sir, ano po ang may bibigyan niyo mensahe para sa GCD?
First of all, I just want to say thank you to Miss Princess as well as the GCD group for giving us this opportunity to work in Croatia and Europe. So it's been a while. We're waiting for a couple of months, and now finally we got the documents, and tomorrow is our flights. Thank you and good luck for us.
How about you, Miss Vanessa?
Thank you din po kay Miss Princess at sa lahat po ng staff ng JCD sa pag-support po sa amin sa lahat-lahat po.
Okay.
Salamat po.
Miss Ian and Miss Vanessa, advice niyo para sa mga kababayan din natin na nandito sa UAE na gusto rin nilang mag-apply papuntang Europe.
To our all fellow Filipinos na naghahanap ng legit na consultancy, we highly recommend this GCD. Meron silang group sa Facebook kung gusto nyong makita lahat. All the process, interviews are there so you can watch it. And it's really legit since tomorrow is our flight. So the process is really smooth and yeah. So if you want and if you're looking for a good and reliable consultancy, then go to this GCD.
How about you, Miss Vanessa?
To all my kababayan, I recommend po JCD. Very legit po sila guys kasi tomorrow is flight na po namin.
Thank you so
Thank
much
you.
po. And excited na po ba kayo?
Yes.
Okay po. Thank you so much for tracking GCD. And congratulations. Okay? On behalf of GCD family, congratulations and have a safe flight. All the best po.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, JCD.
Yan.